5 boys and 3 girls randomly sit around a circular table. The probability that there will be at least one boy sitting between any two girls. At least one boy sitting between any two girls. And so, first of all, 5 boys. Oopsie. 5 boys and 3 girls. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 people sitting around a circle. In how many ways can this be done? 7 factorial. 7 factorial ways. In circular arrangement, n people around the circle, n minus 1. Our denominator is 7 factorial. Okay. At least one boy sitting between any two girls. That means no two girls are sitting next to each other. No two girls sit next to each other. That's what we're thinking about. No two girls sit next to each other. What do? We say, hey, I'm going to seat the 5 boys. Let me remove this and this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We'll have the 5 boys seated around here. Let's say B1, B2, B3, B4, B5. 5 boys can be seated around in 4 factorial ways. That we know. B1, B2, B3, B4, B5, they have sat down. Okay. And then what happens is, between B1 and B2 is a potential seat. B2 and B3 there's a potential seat. B3 and B4, one seat here and here. We'll put only one seat in each of these locations. Okay. One in each location. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Out of these 5, we'll select some 3 for the girls. 5 boys and 3 girls. If 3 girls are seated here, 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 that is fine. Here, 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 that is fine. So 5 boys have been seated. They have been seated in 4 factorial ways. This gives us 5 slots, from which you have to select some 3, and then 3 girls sit there. And so how do we select 3 slots from 5? 5C3, 3 girls sit there, 3 factorial, we are through. So what is our answer? 4 factorial into 5C3 into 3 factorial. 4 factorial into 5C3 into 3 factorial divided by 7 factorial. So let's do that. 4 factorial into 5 factorial by 3 factorial into 2 factorial into 3 factorial by 7 factorial. 4 factorial into 5 factorial by 2 factorial into 7 factorial. This is 6 into 7. This is 4 into 3 into 2. 2 into 3 is 6. 4 by 2 is 2 by 7. An excellent question. I struggled long and hard for this. Lovely question. 2 by 7 is the final probability.